Trying so hard not to like you.
Morning. Good morning. It's Sunday today. Mag-try tayo mag-vlog ulit mag-start tayo ng Sunday. So, today's Sunday, 4th of August, almost 8 o'clock. And pag Sunday, maaga tayo magluto dahil maaga talaga ako magluto. Kasi yung brunch na actually yung kinakain. Hulaan niyo kung anong ulam namin today. Tara! Sinigang na naman. Ayan. Na naman tayo mga besh. Wala, yun kasi ang gusto eh. So, sige na, kaya natin yan. Anyway, habang pinapakuluan ko pa yun, matagal pa yun eh kasi medyo buto-buto siya. So, habang pinapakuluan natin yan, mamamalansya muna tayo. Okay, there. Punta tayo sa taas kasi andun ang kabayo. Andun ang kabayo at lansya. Ay, naiwan ko yun. Okay, so baka dito pwede. Huwag ka lang mahulog. Kasi pag nahulog ka, katapusan ko na. So, pag namamalansya po tayo, turo ng nanay ko, maglagay ng dahon ng saging para mabango. So, ayan. Nalagay tayo niyan. Tsaka para hindi rin sticky or rough yung plancha. Hindi ko pa pala na-on. There. Ito ay nasunog sa sobrang init. Ganda-ganda pa naman yung cover ko. Hayaan mo na siya. Hindi naman yan makaka-affect. Anyway, hayaan muna natin siyang uminit and then start. Sige. Tara. Nahin na din ito. Bagong patch. Talalagay lang yan. So, mahirap lang siya yung tong telang to eh. Kay Mavi. Hindi siya mahirap. So, kahit hindi ko siya bulat-latin, napaplansya ko siya ng ayos. Kasi yung pagkakatahi niya is talagang firm. Pati yung pleats. Dibaga. Kita mo yan. Straight na straight. Walang gosot, girl. Anyway.
There's so much that I like, and I know that you feel the same about us. Yeah, but the timing isn't right. So let me just let go.
Sobrang ninipis ng tela. So, dali lang plansyahin at ang dali din masunog. Problema dito sa uniform na to. Kapag nabasa, kitang-kita.
Seems more than friends, and let me just move on. Yeah, it hurts, I won't pretend, but I'll take you by your word.
Ito kay Ate Max, ito ang mahirap. Kasi yung pagkaka-pleats nito, syempre, tagal na to eh, kasi grade 6 pa, ito yung skirt niya. Hindi ko na pinalitan kasi okay pa naman. Pag siguro mga lumang-luma na, saka natin dagdagan ng palda. Kasi okay pa eh. Ganda naman pagkakatahi. Yung mga pleats talaga. Kailangan ingatan.
Let go, let go, let go. And I'll leave it to the universe. Let's leave it to the
Mag-clean tayo ng kitchen na yung sink kasi ang dumi na. These are the ingredients. Suka powder. Hindi ako masira yung aking. It's boiling hot. Powder. Suka. Hindi ko na to ginagamit sa kitchen ha. Pang ano lang to. Hindi na to ginagamit pang cook. Itong boteng to. So, okay lang siya malagyan sa boteng. So, we are going to eat na guys. Swear. Sa init na girl. Doon sila kumukuha ng santol. Yun.
There's so much that I like, and I know that you feel the same about us. Yeah, but the timing isn't right. So I'ma just let go, let go. I've seen us more than friends, and I'ma just move on, move on. Yeah, it hurts, I won't pretend, but I'll take you by your word, and I'll walk away before it starts to hurt. So I'ma let go, let go, let go, and I'll leave it to the universe. Let's 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 leave it to the universe. Now I'm not gonna wait, but I'll never be too late. You're into faith and I'm into fate, so I'ma give it some space, cause love ain't a race to be won. In a race to be won. And maybe someday we'll find a new way between love and lust, respect and pray. We put the kettle on after we walk in the morning sun. Yeah, but for now I'm gonna let go, let go. I'm seeing us more than friends, and I'ma just move on, move on. Yeah, it hurts, I won't pretend, but I'll take you by your word, and I'll walk away before it starts to hurt. So I'ma let go, let go, let go, and I'll leave it to the universe. Leave it to the universe.
Hi guys. So, this is Sunday, 4th of August, 12:27 hapon. And nakalimutan namin bumili. May project pala to si Maxi ng map of Asia. So, kailangan bumaba. Pumunta kami ng Legazpi para bumili. And as usual, hindi lang yun yung binili. Parang expected ko naman. Laging ganun yung mangyayari. So, ang nabili natin is Map of Asia. Yan na nga yun. Political map of the world. Hold on. Map of the Philippines. And then, inagahan ko na periodic table of elements. Although, hindi pa yan kailangan. Para lang sure. And then, Biglang nagka-interes sa libro si Ma'am. Love Science. And then, sabi niya mag-haul na daw ako para ma-start niya ng mabasa. Ate, you know, this is very old. Look. Anyway, that's it. And then, napunta kami ng Daiso. And this is what we got.
Toy.
Yes, her new toy. That's Daiso. I think this is also Daiso. So, hayaan nyo na. Okay. Yan. Yan. Okay. And then, chopsticks. Ewan ko, trip nilang bumili. Siguro magpa-practice sila. Yung mag-ama.
Mom, why do you have chopsticks?
Daddy said they're gonna try it. And then, sobrang mura ng mga bowl. Well, plastic bowls lang sila. 98 pesos. So, no. We bought two. We bought two big ones as well. Para pag may sabaw. These are 98 pesos as well.
It doesn't hurt.
Aray ko. And then, this one as well. Oh, excuse lang. Ito naman, pag may sarsa, like, diba? So, plastic din siya. It's nice. And then, we have this. Healer.
I want to see inside.
Alcohol. And then, two plastic glass. But you won't, mag-plastic siya. And it's really nice. Sana lang durable. Pero it looks nice, diba? Parang hindi plastic. Kasi wala na kaming baso. Nabasa. Okay, and it cost us 1,500. Dahil sa pagkaranggot na yun, 1,500. Anyway, sa National Bookstore, sobrang mura lang naman.
Do we have more?
Ano lang yun, 200 plus. So, yun lang po ang ating haul for today. I just showed you na merong sa Daiso, in fairness talaga. Worth the money naman siguro kung maingat ka lang kasi plastic siya. So, syempre, huwag mo ibagsak. Huwag mo ikemerot. So, anyway, paghuhugasan na natin siya. And, since today is Sunday,
I'm going to take
more
this
on
off.
reset and the rest lang. Because tomorrow may pasok na naman.
Mom, do I get to go tomorrow?
Yes, you do have. Let me, mommy, do it.
Mom, I'm going to
Okay, see ya. See ya tomorrow. Hello. Hello. Aray! Take two. Okay. Hi. Today's Monday. What day? August 5th. Okay. And it's 9. It's 9:55. Okay? And gusto ko lang i-show sa inyo itong in-order ko na isang piraso lang naman na baso. So, I've been eyeing this for quite some time. Kaya lang parang sabi ng friend ko, huwag ko daw bilhin kasi madaming designs. Tapos, medyo, syempre, prone sa dumi. Pero gusto ko talaga eh. So, try ko lang. Bilang wala na nga kaming baso. Diba? Kahapon nga, bumili kami ng plastic. So, ito, gusto ko lang i-try. And experience. Kasi like siya nakakita dun sa mga vloggers and na pinapanood ko. Like, Megan Livingstone, meron siya nito. And then, I think meron din ito si Ellen Fisher. Kaya lang, yung kay Ellen Fisher is more on cup. Naghahanap din ako noon. Actually, may nakita na ako, pero nag-iisipan ko pa. So anyway, sana hindi siya basag. Maganda naman yung pagkakapackage. So I just wanna try it. Kinakabahan ako, promise. And mura lang siya. I don't know, siguro nakasiit, kaya mura siya. Anyway, isang peraso lang talaga. Pero kapag nagustuhan ko, mag-order na lang ako ulit. Pero so far, tingnan natin if it's worth it. Tararan! Dad, tingnan mo ha. Tingnan mo kung magustuhan mo. Tararan! Gablaze! Hindi to gablaze. Pero look at the design. It's so pretty. Parang gusto ko naman naman tubig araw-araw. Look! Gusto mo? Ganda, di ba? Maganda. 99 pesos ata ang isa. Pero syempre may fee and all. So, but look at it. It's so pretty. Halimbawa, inom ka ng water, juice, milk, Coke. Pero yun na nga, meron pa akong bet na isa na ganito. Tsaka mabigat. So, I think durable siya kasi mabigat. Meron pa akong inaay na isa, which is parang teacup. Yun yung parang kay Ellen Fisher. Meron ding shipment. Meron ding delivery si Daddy. Ito. Nasaan na yung wire? So this one. This wire para sa ilaw namin sa likod. At yung naririnig yung doorbell ay also tawag dito Shopee Find. Shopee din ang doorbell. In fairness, ganda naman yung tunog. Okay, so see you later. See you later.
I'm trying so hard not to like you. There's so much that I like, and I know that you feel the same about us. Yeah, but the timing isn't right. So let me just let go, let go. You've seen us more than friends, and let me just move on, move on. Yeah, it hurts, I won't pretend, but I'll take you by your word, and I'll walk away before it starts to hurt. So I'ma let go, let go.
Good afternoon, people. Today is Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. 6th of August. Dilim saglit. So, paghatid namin kay Mavi, dumiretso kami ng city. Kasi gusto nila mag-pasta night tonight. So, I have to cook. Pero I don't have pasta. I don't have ingredients. So, I have to buy. So, I am just so shocked. Because, sobrang mahal ng bilihin talaga. No? Imagine, these are the only ones na binili namin. So, basically, isang eco bag at isang paper bag, and it cost us 2,000. Can't imagine. Wala ka na talagang mabibili sa 1,000 pesos mo. So I just can't believe it. Anyway, let's cook pasta. This will be our ingredients. Filipino style na spaghetti sauce. Sana tama yung nakuha ko. Dalawa, kasi 500 grams. So 1 kilo lang naman. Malulutuin natin. This is penne. Ito yung favorite ko. na ginagawang pasta. It's penne. May lasa kasi siya. For me, ito yung favorite ni Dad na mga seasonings. Kanya yung maanghang, syempre. And I can't find any fresh milk, so mag-magnolia na lang. Hindi walang iba. I am not a fan of almond. Masyadong mahal. So, yung pasta natin, nilalagyan natin ng cream. So, maglalagay tayo ng Nestle cream. Tapos, meron pa yun on top na parang white sauce. So, nilalagyan din natin yan. And then, these are the cold cuts. Bacon. Kasi si Mavi ay laging nagbabaon siya ngayon ng rice. And gusto niyang ulam is bacon. Mura lang to kasi Vida. Siyempre. Hindi masyadong branded. Pero masarap yan. Pampalubag-loob lang naman nila sa mga bata. Later. So, merong ganyan naman na. And then, meron din tayong ham just in case gusto namin mag-light dinner. Ayaw namin mag-rice. So, at least mag-pinapay. Ham. And then, kasama sa yung giniling sa spaghetti, sa pasta. Lalagay tayo ng giniling. Tapos, yun tayo ng baby powder. Kasi may baby ako. Yung panganay ko, baby powder siya. And then, this one. Ito ay favorite namin. So, binili ko na tatlo. Favorite mo yan, Dad? Ito din, kay Daddy ko. Kasi hindi siya mahilig sa pasta. So, siguro baka kumain lang siya ng isang plato. And the rest will be pancit canton. So, yun lang. Anyway, I'm just sharing na ito lang ang binili namin. And it cost us 2,000 pesos already. So, yun lang. So, magkukook na ako. Maybe, hindi napanood niyo na ako gumawa nito. But let me see what I can do. Okay? See ya.
There's so much that I like, and I know that you feel the same about us. Yeah, but the timing isn't right. So let me just let go, let go. We've seen us more than friends, and let me just move on, move on. Yeah, it hurts, I won't pretend, but I'll take you by your word, and I'll walk away before it starts to hurt. So I'ma let go, let go, let go, and I'll leave it to the universe. Let's 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 leave it to the universe. No, I'm not gonna wait, but I'll never be too late. You're into faith and I'm into fate. So I'ma give it some space, cause love ain't a race to be won. And maybe someday we'll find a new way between love and lust, respect and pray. We'll put the kettle on after we walk in the morning sun. Yeah, but for now I'm gonna let go, let go. We've seen us more than friends, and let me just move on, move on. Yeah, it hurts, I won't pretend, but I'll take you by your word, and I'll walk away before it starts to hurt. So I'ma let go, let go, let go, and I'll leave it to the universe. Let's 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 leave it to the universe. So I'ma just let go, let go. I've seen us more than friends, and I'ma just move on, move on. Yeah, it hurts, I won't pretend, but I'll take you by your word, and I'll walk away before it starts to hurt. And I'ma let go, let go, let go, and I'll leave it to the universe.
Ay, nako. Alam niyo ba, guys? Guys talaga. Na hindi ko natapos kanina yung ginagawa kong pasta kasi Nakalimutan ko. My God, I thought meron akong butter sa ref. So, hindi ko magawa yung roux pag walang butter. I don't have quick melt as well, but that's fine. Itong pasta ay malamig na. So, lagay na natin yan dyan. I-plating na natin yan. Bago tayo gumawa ng roux. Row your boat. Ganda kanta ko. Ganda kanta ko, girl. Okay, so, itong pasta na to, aabot to ng mga 2 days. Depende sa kain. Pero aabot yan kasi 1 kilo yan eh. So, syempre, kasama natin dyan sina Mother Earth. Diba? So, what are the ingredients for our roux? It's butter, cream, if meron din kayong fresh milk, pwede nyo rin dagdagan. Let's see. Flour, cheese. Pero itong cheese ko, pang toppings ko na lang to. Pwede naman yung roko walang quick melt. Okay? So, let's do this. I know na napakita ko na to sa inyo. Diyos ko 100 times. But, right. So, usually, lagyan ko ng oil. Lagyan natin ng oil. Used oil to. Bacon lang naman prinito ko dyan. So, may lasa. Diba? Might as well use that. Okay. Lagay natin yung butter. Wait natin siya mag-melt. So, yung fire ko, nakaset lang yan sa low. Siguro mga tinatansya ko lang naman. Just para ma-thicken lang ba. And then, ayoko naman ng sobrang dami. Kasi ayoko naman ng sobrang thick. Kaya lang minsan, tatansyahin natin. Okay? Kung meron sana tayong quick melt, hindi na natin kailangan maglagay ng asin. Kasi yung quick melt, sadya siyang maalat. Gusto natin yung Nestle cream. Ang thick, parang thick siya. Pag thick siya, dagdagan natin ng fresh milk. Pero feeling ko nga kukulangin eh. Kasi 3 batch yung nagawa natin. Actually, 2.5 batches. So, mag-add na lang ako ng Nestle cream instead of of fresh milk. Para talagang creamy. Halimbawa, mapakulang pa. Di, dagdagan natin naman ng flour. Para mag-thicken ng slight. Okay. But I think that should be it. Okay, so yan yung roux. Lalagyan natin yan ng salt. Kasi nga wala tayong cheese na nag-melt. So, salt lang. Ano pa ng, yun na yung papatungan natin siya ng regular cheese. That's enough. Let's go and transfer.
I'm trying so hard not to like you.